Welcome back to Leggari, everyone. You're going to see why our contractors are so successful from their very first project. When you come to our training center, you're going to be installing your own 3-gallon floor kit and your own countertop kit. We teach you how to be a successful installer of our resin and get paid when you're done with the project. Enjoy the video.
Remember, you want to have a 2x2 sample board on every job. So that when you're off that floor, how easy is it? You just roll the sample board. So every job you have, you're making a sample board. And not only that, if you show it to a customer, they'll be like, well, that looks cool, but what's that look like on the floor? Well, funny you mentioned that. We did, this it was a 400 square foot floor, you know, and
wrote that down this morning when we mentioned it. So just walk over around, right?
yeah.
So,
Let me see that. If you want a bead, see how it's coating the edge down? It's like a fat bead there. Get that edge coated, and then just pull away from it a little. Not thick, not pushing a lot. You put some weight down. No, not really. No.
just let it do the work.
Yeah, so I would just run down the floor. You usually want one guy doing highlights, one guy swirling. Because if you have one guy do a highlights on one section and a new guy come out, it's going to be different.
I can try swirls, but swirl with
Get some like right in that corner. There you go. Get up to your edge is good. Gotta go different ways. You got 3 in a line right there. See all 3 in a line? Get some right here going this way. Well, he's swirled it twice now. Look at how awesome this floor turned out. It's their first time installing resin. They're from Bermuda. They loved how simple and easy the product is to work with. We did a double swirl on this. It's a little bit more time consuming, so we don't recommend it on large projects, but for something small, fun, yeah, why not? You get a lot more depth, you get a lot more highs and marbleization when you do this type of technique. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, share our video for your chance to win a free epoxy sample kit. Every 50,000 views, we're going to be sending one of those out. All you have to do, subscribe, comment, share the video. That's it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.